Hi all. We have already discussed different methods for capital investment decisions. Now we have to go through these techniques in detail. The first method that we are going to discuss is PB method, payback method, payback period method. There are different names for PB method. It includes PB period method, payoff method, payout method, etc. It is a simple method to calculate to project evaluation, and it is known as crude method. Crude means നോട്ട് എന്താ പറയുക അസംസ്കൃത എന്നൊക്കെ പറയില്ലേ. കാരണം എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇറ്റ് ഡസ് നോട്ട് കൺസിഡർ എനി അതർ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്, ഓൺലി ദ ഇൻകം ഈസ് കൺസിഡേർഡ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വൈ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് ക്രൂഡ് മെത്തേഡ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റഡ് in two ways. By considering the inflow, there are two methods for calculating PB. First one, if cash inflows are uniform, എല്ലാ വർഷവും ഒരേപോലെ ഇൻഫ്ലോ വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ, in this case we will use simply the equation PB is equal to NI divided by OS. NI means net investment, the cost of the project. For example, we are investing 10 lakh rupees. That 10 lakh is termed as NI, net investment, divided by OS. OS, operating savings, operating income, EBIT, or annual cash flows. Okay, net operating savings is considered here. For example, if we are investing 10 lakhs and we are receiving 2 lakh rupees each year, we will calculate PB as net investment 10 lakhs divided by annual cash flow 2 lakhs is equal to 5. These 5 years is taken as PB. It is calculated on EATBD. EATBD means EATBD. നമ്മൾ OS എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സേവിങ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് EATBD ആണ്. EATBD മീൻസ് ഏർണിങ്സ് ആഫ്റ്റർ ടാക്സ് ബിഫോർ ഡിപ്രീസിയേഷൻ. ഇതെങ്ങനെയാണ് ഈ EATBD കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കാം. നമുക്ക് സിമ്പിളി ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ് എന്ന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ തരികയാണെങ്കിൽ പിന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ മുകളിലൊന്നും ചെയ്യാനില്ല, ആ പ്രോഫിറ്റ് എടുത്താൽ മതി. അതേസമയം നമുക്ക് തരുന്ന സെൻറ്റൻസുകൾ അത് കൃത്യമായി നോക്കണം. EBTBD ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഈ സാധാരണ കേസിലുള്ള EBIT എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, ഏർണിങ്സ് ബിഫോർ ടാക്സ് ബിഫോർ ഡിപ്രീസിയേഷൻ. ഇതാണ് തരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ വി ഹാവ് ടു ഫസ്റ്റ്ലി ഡിഡക്റ്റ് ഡിപ്രീസിയേഷൻ മൈനസ് DE. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടും എന്താണ്, ഏർണിങ്സ് ബിഫോർ ടാക്സ് ആഫ്റ്റർ ഡിപ്രീസിയേഷനാണ്. ദെൻ വി വിൽ ഡിഡക്റ്റ് ടാക്സ്, ദെൻ വി വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് AD, earnings after tax after depreciation. Then we have to deduct the depreciation, we have to add the depreciation back. Depreciation തിരിച്ച് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് തന്നെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടുക, EATBD കിട്ടുക. We have to identify in which type of income we have given in the problem. For example, if we have given EBTBD, then we have to deduct depreciation, deduct tax, then add depreciation. For example, if we have given EBTAD, earnings before tax after depreciation, then we have to deduct tax, then add depreciation. If we are given with earnings after tax after depreciation, then simply we have to add the depreciation. Okay, if we have given earnings after tax before depreciation, nothing is to be done, or nothing is mentioned as to the type of profit. The profit of the firm is given, then nothing to be mentioned. Okay, then now we are going through the equation once more. PB is equal to NI divided by OS. For example, if our cost of the project net investment is 10 lakhs and annual inflows are 4 lakhs, we are getting 4 lakhs each year. Simply PB is equal to 2.5 years. This is the first method if inflows are uniform. At the same time, if cash flows are not uniform, For example, if we are getting income of different type in different years, first year we are getting 1 lakh, second year we are getting 2 lakh, third year we are getting 1.5 lakhs, etc. If inflows are not uniform, we will use adding up method. We will add the income to reach our cost of the project. For example, if the cost of the project is 1 lakh and annual inflows are 30,000, 45,000, next year 25,000, next year 10,000, etc. In this case, inflows are not uniform. PB is calculated using adding up method. That means we will add 30,000 plus 45 plus 25. Then we will get 1 lakh. Okay. Now we are stopping the calculation. Here 3 year is taken as our PB. Okay. Then another example. Cost of the project is 2 lakhs and annual inflows are 75,000, 65,000, 50,000, 40,000, etc. Here also inflows are not uniform. We will add the income till we reach 2 lakhs. Okay, 75,000 plus 65,000, 1 lakh 40,000 plus 50,000, 1 lakh 90,000. Then now we need only 10,000, but there is 40,000. What we will do here? This case, when we add these 3 years, we will get 1,90,000. We need only 10,000 more, but there is 40,000. Okay, then PB is equal to, we will calculate as 3 years plus required amount. Now we need only 10,000. Required amount is 10,000, but actual amount is 40,000. So we will calculate as 3 years plus 10,000 divided by 40,000. We will get 3 years plus 10,000 divided by 40,000 is equal to 0.25, 25%. Okay, 0.25. So our PB is 3.25 years. Otherwise, we can have 3 years plus 10,000 divided by 40,000 into 12. We have to convert this 0.25 year into month. So 0.25 into 12 is equal to 3 months. That is 10,000 divided by 40,000 into 12. Then the answer is 3 years plus 3 months. Okay, this is how we will calculate payback period if inflows are not uniform. Then I am going through one more slide, improved PB methods. There are other methods also. In case of PB method, simple PB method, we will find the years required to recoup, to receive the amount of investment they have made. Okay, there are other improved PB methods. First one is discounted PB method. In case of discounted PB method, we consider the time value. That means each year inflows are converted into present value using present value factor. By multiplying with the present value factor, then we will calculate PB. Okay, then we will discount using PVF. Then another term is post PB profit. Post PB profit is the profit after the, post means after the PB period. Okay, it is calculated using the equation total inflows minus cost of the project, or annual cash flows into life after PB period. Okay, then we will go through an example. We are investing 50,000 for the project and annual inflows are 30,000, 20,000, 10,000, 20,000. Then what is PB? Here PB is calculated as 30,000 plus 20,000, 50,000. We have got the investment of 50,000. Then these 2 years profits are taken as post PB profits. Okay, it is the profit after PB period, or using the equation total inflow minus cost of the project. Here total inflow is 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 20, 80, 80 minus cost of the project 50. Then now we will get 30. Okay, another case is annual cash flow minus life after PB period. For example, our cost of the project is 50,000. Okay, annual inflows is annual inflow is 25,000 for 3 years. 3 വർഷത്തേക്ക് നമുക്ക് ഇൻഫ്ലോ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കും. നമ്മൾ പി ബി കാണുന്ന സമയത്ത് പി ബി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 50,000 ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 25,000 ആനുവൽ ഇൻഫ്ലോ 25 ആണല്ലോ, ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 2 years. But we are getting cash flow for 3 years here in this example. So the life after the project PB period is 1 year, because PB is 2 year but the total life is 3 year, so the life after PB period is 3 year into annual inflow 25,000 is equal to 25,000. ഈ 25,000-നെയാണ് നമ്മളെന്ന് പറയുക പോസ്റ്റ് പി ബി പ്രോഫിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അനദർ കേസ് ഈസ് പോസ്റ്റ് പി ബി പ്രോഫിറ്റബിലിറ്റി ഇൻഡെക്സ്. Post PB profitability index is calculated using the equation post PB profit divided by investment into 100. In the former example, we got that 20,000. If we are getting 20,000 after the, or in the last example, we have got 25,000 as the post PB profit, and investment of the project is 50,000 into 100. Here 50% is taken as post PB profitability index. Okay, then another term is PB reciprocal. PB reciprocal is equal to annual cash flows divided by total investment. Okay, for example, in the given example, annual inflow was 25,000 divided by total investment is 50,000 into 100. Here also 50% in the example is taken as post PB reciprocal. Okay, post PB period is equal to, it is the period after the payback period. പീരീഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർ പേബാക്ക് പീരീഡിന് ശേഷമുള്ള പീരീഡിനെയാണ് നമ്മളെന്ന് പറയുക പോസ്റ്റ് പി ബി പീരീഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ഇൻ അവർ കേസ് we are investing 50,000 as the cost of the project. Okay, we are getting income 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. Okay, our PB period is this. We will get 50,000 with 2 years, 30,000 plus 20,000, 50,000. So 2 year is taken as PB period. So this 10 year is for 1 year. This 1 year is taken as post PB period. Okay, then these are regarding payback period method. Okay, thank you.